Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial by Zebra Code. In this tutorial series, I am going to be looking at the OpenAI. The OpenAI laboratory works in the area of artificial intelligence research, artificial intelligence deployment. Hang on, what exactly is OpenAI? The OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research and deployment company, and they have a mission to ensure that artificial intelligence generally benefits all of humanity. According to their official website, OpenAI is an AI research and deployment company. Our mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. You can read more about this on their official website www.openai.com. In this tutorial series about OpenAI, I will be looking at some tools and APIs developed by the OpenAI laboratory that are related to software engineering, computer programming, coding, and advancement in computing. I will be particularly looking at these areas as they relate to artificial intelligence. Please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you each time I post a new video on this topic of OpenAI. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.